Welcome to Relevant Happenings. Let us look at the relevant happenings of today. Today, we will see about what is Essential Defence Services Bill. We will next see about 2 new Indian cities added to UNESCO's Historic Urban Landscape Project. Then we will see about Priya Malik, who clinched gold at World Cadet Wrestling Championship, and other relevant happenings, so stay tuned. The Essential Defence Services Bill aims at preventing the staff of the government-owned ordnance factories from going on strike. Around 70,000 people work with 41 ordnance factories all over the country. The bill introduced in Lok Sabha mentioned that it aims to provide for the maintenance of the essential defence services in order to secure the security of the country and the life and property of the public at large. As per the government, it is essential that an uninterrupted supply of the ordnance items to the armed forces is maintained for defence preparedness and that the factories must continue to function without any form of disruptions. It was felt necessary that the government must have the power to meet the emergency situations and must ensure the maintenance of the essential defence services in all the establishments connected with defence. The Indian Ordnance Factories is the oldest and the largest industrial setup which functions under the Department of Defence Production of the Defence Ministry. The factories form an integrated base for the indigenous production of defence hardware and equipment with the primary objective of self-reliance in equipping the armed forces with the state-of-art battlefield equipment. However, the Defence Ministry had clarified that there should be no change in the service condition of around 70,000 employees of Ordnance Factory Board. Moving ahead, Gwalior and Orchha cities in Madhya Pradesh were selected by UNESCO under its Historic Urban Landscape Project that began in 2011. The project aims at the inclusive and well-planned development of fast-growing historical cities while preserving their cultural and heritage value. 6 cities from South Asia, including Varanasi and Ajmer, are already included in the project. The Historic Urban Landscape Project aims at the inclusive and well-planned development of fast-growing historical cities while preserving their cultural and heritage value. The Historic Urban Landscape Project offers a comprehensive and integrated approach for the identification, assessment, conservation and management of historic urban landscapes within a sustainable development framework. Moving ahead, Priya Malik wins gold at World Cadet Wrestling Championship. Indian wrestler Priya Malik won a gold medal at the ongoing World Cadet Wrestling Championship in Budapest, Hungary. With her stunning victory, Priya Malik has become the first Indian wrestler to win a gold medal in the World Cadet Wrestling Championship. This achievement comes just a day after weightlifter Mirabai Channu made India proud by winning a historic silver medal at the Tokyo Olympics 2020, thus opening India's medal tally at the prestigious event. Now, let us look at Siberian's wildfires and find out what is fueling wildfires in Russia's coldest city. Forest fires have broken out in Russia's near Kazakhstan and in northeastern Siberia. More than 6.5 million acres of land in the region has been charred and the smoke of wildfires is traveling to Alaska due to strong wind currents. Russia is experiencing a condition that scientists have been warning about for years. What is a wildfire? A wildfire is defined as an uncontrollable fire that engulfs forests, grasslands, peatlands, etc. Wildfires can be caused by natural factors such as global warming, dry humid climate, dried out vegetation, lightning, volcanic eruption and also human activities. What is wildfire season? Historically, the wildfire season occurs between May and October when the conditions become extremely hot, dry and humid. Mostly, wildfires have been prevalent during summers, but climate change, heat waves, droughts have increased the occurrence and duration of wildfires dramatically. As the temperature of the planet increases, the rate of evaporation increases, thus drawing out more moisture from plants and causing drying out of vegetation. Such conditions coupled with droughts, dry, hot and humid weather conditions can increase the risk of severe and longer wildfires. So these were the relevant happenings of today. Hope you liked the initiative. If you find the video as relevant as the happenings, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.